You searched how to buy shares of Prog Holdings Inc. Prog Holdings Inc. trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker PRG, and this video will show practical steps to buy its shares. This is educational information only and not financial advice. To trade PRG, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you typically must verify your identity with a valid ID and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PRG to find Prog Holdings Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see a short company profile and a price chart that reflects recent trading. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm you are viewing the right asset. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as a pending order, depending on the broker rules. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before it allows the purchase. After the order executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more details and the broker link, see the description below.